Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I really enjoy fruits. They're good for us. Besides eating fruits as is, it's nice to make desserts with them, like fruit salad, cherries jubilee, peach cobbler, and so on, including this classic French one, which is Poire Belle Hélène. This is a great sweet treat to make for any special occasion. With a generous dose of chocolate sauce and some vanilla ice cream, you simply have to make them soon. So let's start. In a medium saucepan, tall enough to hold the pears upright, we'll add sugar, water, as well as orange juice. We'll turn the heat on medium-high, stir until the sugar is dissolved, and bring the mixture to a boil. Then we'll reduce to medium-low and let it simmer for 5 minutes. When time is up, we'll place the pears standing up in the simmering mixture, but before doing that, they have to be cored. And to find out how, click on the link showing at the top right corner of your screen. We'll cover and poach them gently for 25 to 30 minutes or until just cooked through. To know when they're done is by pricking with the tip of a paring knife, and if it goes in with a slight resistance, they're good to go. So when they're done, we'll remove from the heat and let them cool off to room temperature in the syrup uncovered. Meanwhile, we'll make the chocolate sauce. I'm not showing you how because I already did. So to view that episode, click on the top right corner of your screen. When it's time to serve, we'll drain the pears and place them individually in serving plates or bowls, standing up nice and tall. We'll now drizzle on a generous amount of chocolate sauce over the poached pears, add a couple scoops of vanilla ice cream, and serve immediately. And my friends, these are our Poire Belle Hélène. Elegant plus very easy to make, this is a scrumptious way to enjoy these fruits. With a lovely chocolate sauce and of course some ice cream, this gorgeous dessert is a delicious way to finish a meal. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!